This cooking oil has been used several times. Once it turns dark or starts smelling rancid, it's time to throw it away. Cooking oil should not be poured outside or down the kitchen sink. Instead, bring your used oil to a commercial composting facility to recycle it. No facility nearby? Fryaway makes it easy to dispose of used cooking oil responsibly. Just sprinkle it into the hot oil and stir. Let it cool, scoop and toss. Fryaway, the smart, eco-friendly way to dispose of used cooking oil. Get it at fryaway.co.